Imagine waking up to the sound of rushing water, or stepping into a kitchen flooded overnight. Panic sets in. What do? Every minute counts. Water seeps into floors and walls, turning a small leak into a major crisis. This isn't a DIY moment. Burst pipes can unleash gallons of water in seconds, risking structural damage and personal safety. The smartest move? Call a professional emergency plumber immediately at +1 888 862 Joadwarin. Don't waste time searching for reviews or recommendations. Have a trusted number ready, like +1 888 862 0246. A reliable plumber can stop the chaos, protect your home, and restore your peace of mind. Remember, a plumbing emergency doesn't wait for business hours. If you're facing a water emergency, act now and call +1 888 862 0246. For fast, 24/7 emergency plumbing service in San Francisco, call 415-555-0101 or simply dial +1 888 862 0246. Getting a professional on the line at +1 888 862 0246 is your first and most critical step. Take back control before the damage gets any worse. Call +1 888 862 0246 now. That tiny drip you hear, or the faint stain you see, it's a warning sign you can't ignore. Hidden leaks saturate wood, insulation, and even electrical wiring, creating a breeding ground for mold within 24 to 48 hours. Waiting to call a plumber can turn a simple repair into a costly restoration. Emergency plumbers use advanced tools to pinpoint leaks without tearing up your home. Acting fast saves you time, money, and stress. Water damage grows exponentially with every hour you wait. Don't gamble with your home's safety. Call a professional at the first sign of trouble. Protect your investment and your family's health. Don't let a small issue become a disaster. Not all plumbers are created equal, especially in San Francisco. If you need help, call us now at +1 888 862 0246. Our city's homes range from historic Victorians to modern condos, each with unique plumbing quirks. Local plumbers know the difference between old, galvanized pipes and new PEX systems, and they understand city-specific codes and challenges. They can anticipate problems and fix them faster thanks to years of hands-on experience in your neighborhood. Local pros are invested in the community. They're your neighbors, not a faceless chain. They respond quickly, know where to get rare parts, and have a reputation to uphold. When you call a San Francisco plumber at +1 888 862 0246, you get expertise tailored to your home and city. Trust local knowledge for the fastest, safest solution. Your home deserves a plumber who truly understands it. For immediate help, call +1 888 862 0246. When you call a 24-hour plumber, you get a real person. No endless menus or machines. The dispatcher quickly assesses your emergency and guides you to shut off your main water valve if needed. Your info is sent to the nearest on-call plumber, who heads straight to your door. No time wasted. The plumber arrives with a fully stocked truck, ready to tackle most emergencies on the spot. They assess, explain, and fix the problem efficiently, minimizing disruption to your home. From your first call to the final repair, the process is designed for speed and peace of mind. Don't wait. Call 415-555-0101 to get help now. Protect your home with a single call. The true value of a professional plumber isn't just the repair, it's stopping damage before it spirals. That's why you should call us anytime at +1 888 862 0246. Fast action means less water soaking into your home, saving you from massive restoration costs. Reach out now at +1 888 862 0246 for immediate help. Calling a pro relieves stress and uncertainty, letting you focus on your family while an expert takes charge. Just dial +1 888 862 0246 and let us handle the rest. Quick repairs mean you get back to normal life faster, with minimal disruption. Emergency plumbers don't just patch problems, they solve them for good. Call +1 888 862 0246 for lasting solutions. DIY fixes often fail, risking bigger disasters later. Licensed plumbers ensure repairs are safe, up to code, and built to last. investing in professional help protects your home's value and your peace of mind. For 24/7 support, call +1 888-862 00246. Don't risk a temporary fix. Choose lasting safety. Your home deserves the best protection. Call +1 888-862 0246 today. These emergencies are real. Just ask your neighbors. One Richmond District family called after a burst pipe flooded their kitchen. Because they acted fast, damage was limited and repairs were manageable. Waiting just 10 minutes longer could have meant a collapsed ceiling and a ruined renovation. In Noe Valley, a homeowner noticed a musty smell. A quick call revealed a hidden sewer leak threatening their foundation. Early action meant a simple trenchless repair instead of a massive excavation. The lesson? Trust your instincts and act quickly. Every minute matters in a plumbing emergency. Don't ignore warning signs. Call for help at the first hint of trouble. A professional investigation is always worth it. For immediate help, call 415-555-0101. In a plumbing emergency, speed is everything. Call us now at +1 888-862 0246. Waiting only guarantees more damage and higher costs. Emergency calls may cost more up front, but they save you thousands in repairs and lost peace of mind. The most expensive mistake is doing nothing. Protect your home and your family by acting fast. Keep our number handy, on your fridge, in your phone, or your emergency kit. That's +1 888-862 0246. When disaster strikes, you'll be ready to make the right call. Don't wait for water to ruin your investment. For any plumbing emergency in San Francisco, call us at +1 888-862 0246. We're here to help, anytime, day or night.